Education imparts excellence. Hundreds of students here are marching with the same aim. In the middle of lush greenery in Bellare, in Sulya, in Dakshina Kannada, Karnataka. This is Jnanaganga Central School. A residential school born with an aim to impart excellence among every student who studies here. That is the reason why our motto is towards excellence. Quality education is synonymous with Dakshin Kannada, and Jnanaganga Central School is actively contributing to the name for the past 18 years. From small beginnings in 1997, the school has now become a popular name among the education circles in Karnataka and surrounding states. It now has around 700 students with fully residential education. This school was instituted with the intention of giving high-quality education to the students in rural areas. But today, Jnanaganga Central School is not only doing that, it also gives the rural life experience along with education that can be matched with the best in the league to many students from across Karnataka and some neighboring states. With well-trained staff and a management which understands the needs of the students, Jnanaganga has spacious buildings for both school and hostel. Is established under Shikshana Ganga Trust, which aims to provide quality education. MP Umesh, chairman of the school, who also runs the trust, is a happy man with his dreams shaping up in each student.
1998 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Founding principal Dejamma not only has been running the show at school, but being a residence principal, she has been giving 100% to the success story of this residential school.
Our school generally think of the students who are below mediocre. We see to it that our attention is focused more on the slow learners. We identify the children and try to work out with the gifted children, and then the next stage is to see to that they are in the mainstream.
Modern infrastructure with spacious classrooms, school buses to pick and drop the students, library with important titles and online access to thousands of books and magazines. Well-equipped science laboratory helps students quench their hunger for scientific quests. With karate, yoga, table tennis and other games being played and encouraged, talent will never be hidden inside in this environment.
My daughter spent 12 long years here, happily and safely. What I like in this school is the atmosphere, the team of teachers, principal and the management.
Quality education does not stop at school for this residential school. Good quality food is being served to students every day. With an acute detailing in terms of getting the best out of every child, Jnanaganga is zooming towards achieving the motto towards excellence. Here are the course details. Pre-primary, primary, secondary school,